Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can connect your mobile device with your Android TV using an HDMI port. So if you have an HDMI port or HDMI cable just like this one, connected on the back side of your Android TV and you want to connect it to your mobile device, so you obviously cannot connect it directly because of the port of difference. So you need a adapter for that. So as you can see, this is the converter that I'll be using. This has the type C which I can connect with a mobile, and as you can see it has turned on. Now I can connect my HDMI port with my converter right here. So it is not going to work in my case because my mobile does not have or does not support USB type 3 type C 3.0. It supports it is USB type C 2.0. so it is only possible to share your screen if your mobile device has USB type C 3.0. so if your device has 3.0, it is going to start sharing your screen with your Android TV, and in my case it is not going to happen. So I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.